Today, we're going to talk about organizing your digital life, and Kat Nostrin and Melissa Lim will be presenting. It's a new series that we wanted to start this year to just share different things each month with you all. Kat and Melissa.
Thanks, Deborah. Hi, everybody. I'm Melissa Lim, and Kat, you can say your own.
I can say hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Kat Nestrand.
And we're technology integration specialists in the Learning Technologies department of Otis. And today we're doing this session on organizing your digital life. And these are by no means any groundbreaking new tips that you have probably not heard before, but maybe right now is a good time to remind you to do some of these things and then start some practices that become more regular for you. So we'll go ahead and get started. So this next one is you should finally unsubscribe from all that email marketing and on those newsletters that you signed up for years and years ago, because you're probably still getting them and then you just never took the time to unsubscribe. And so usually in an email newsletter that you might get, there's always an unsubscribe button at the bottom that allows you to unsubscribe. The same with email marketing. Kat, you had a specific situation you were thinking of.
Well, in Gmail, you often, when you get a newsletter, you have at the bottom of the newsletter, there's an opportunity at the bottom to unsubscribe, but also sometimes up near the Gmail address from the person, there's an unsubscribe right there, which is an internal Gmail unsubscribe. So it's not sending something, it's maybe sending something for you or blocking it. We weren't sure how it worked, but you can unsubscribe using that as well. But it's not as direct to the vendor or the people that are sending you the newsletter as the one that's embedded in their newsletter.
Is just a plug for our Learning Technologies team. And so this link on the left-hand side, pps.net/learningtech, is the link to the website within the Otis web pages. And so there's lots more information about the digital toolkit, and if you want to request an app or an extension and how to do that, it has links to the database of all the apps and extensions that are already vetted and approved. So that's what that website is. And then this is pps.net/LTOtis, and that's a newer website that shows a menu of services that our team offers, including coaching. So instructional technology integration coaching. And it also has some information about our leadership team. And then we're also going to start spotlighting teachers that are doing great work in their classrooms. So just a couple of links to check out from our team.